Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? So tonight we're going to do an unboxing. This is going to be from my series Snack Size, which means small paintings, and this is going to be number 11, okay? And this was called A Fairy Friend by Randal Spangler. Guys, this is actually my first Randal Spangler. I've never worked on a Randal Spangler, and this is the first one that I actually purchased. Okay, so when you look at the box, you can see that it's going to be round diamonds because it says round diamonds, and it's also like pink color. Okay, and it comes in a cute little box. It's very shiny. It says scan me, unlock for 10% off. And then in the back it tells you how it works, step by step, and what's inside the kit. And it comes in 3 languages, so it's in English, French, and Spanish. All right, so let's open this baby up. So what do we know about Randal? Well, Randal is inspired by a more youthful, innocent time where imagination, adventure, and exploration lived. Okay, and I believe he has 51 paintings, guys, that he has at Diamond Art Club, and some of them, one is Couch Dragon, Sunday Delight, and Treasure Quest. And one thing about his paintings, you will see that this dragon I think it's in all his paintings, which is really, really cool. And by the way, this painting was $24.99. Okay, so all the paintings come with 2 stickers. It comes with a small one and a big one, which should be inside the canvas. And the small one, basically, you could put this in your logbook, or you could put it on top or underneath the box. Okay, and this is the toolkit. And the toolkit is always a surprise because we don't know what washi tape you're getting. You don't know what color pen you're getting, or a cover binder. So let's see. Ooh, I don't think oh my gosh, look at the little cover binder, guys. And I don't think I've ever gotten this color pen. Ooh, exciting. Look at this. It's like a blue-green, guys. My favorite color. Ooh, did I just shake the camera? Sorry. I get excited. So anyway, it comes with a pen. It comes with a comfort grip. And I'm going to try not to rip this one because the last one I actually ripped it. So there. Oh, no. Let's not do it. I'm afraid to. But anyway, this is supposed to help with your hands. That's why it's called comfort grip. It's supposed to help you. And it's good if you have arthritis. Okay, so let's put that down here. And then it comes with resealable bags. This is for your drills, just in case you are visiting a friend or traveling and you didn't bring your containers. You could put them in you could put the drills in these resealable bags. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this cover minder. Is not the cutest thing? All right, let me bring this light a little closer. Look at this. It's a bunny. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Well, anyway, a cover minder, guys, is basically, it helps to hold back the plastic. All the paintings come with the plastic covering, and so you peel it back, you put this on top of the plastic, you put this one underneath the canvas, the painting, and it'll snap and it will hold the plastic back while you're diamond painting. Okay, and it comes, wow, look at this pretty washi tape. Yeah, so pretty. Isn't that pretty? Love that. And then, of course, it comes with 2 multi-placers. I believe this one is a 7, so that means that you can fit 7 drills in here, diamond drills. So it's faster to diamond paint. And this one is a 4. All right, and then it comes also with a heart-shaped container, very, very cute. And you open it, and voila, and there's some wax in there. Okay, and of course, just cleaning it a little bit. It comes with a tray. Okay, and this is what you use to put the drills in. All right, so let's put everything in here. Love my cover minder and my pen. Okay. So all the canvases come in a plastic bag where it says Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. And I always say, do what makes you happy. Right now. Why not, right? So the plastic is basically to help protect the canvas while it's traveling. What I love about the Diamond Art Club canvases is that they're super, super soft, guys. And they're designed this way to prevent wrinkling and fraying. Okay, so let's get, and the drills, by the way, the drills are 100% resin for exceptional color. So here you have the thank you for your purchase, what's included in the kit, tips and tricks, and so on, and step-by-step instructions. All right, so let's move that aside. And here's the big sticker that I was telling you about. Okay, so you see the picture there, A Fairy Friend by Randal Spangler. You put the start date, the end date, and here are the pre-cut stickers, and the pre-cut stickers come in handy, guys, because you could put these on your containers. All right, and then of course these are the drills, and I love that it says A Fairy Friend. So if you separate the drills from the painting, you'll know that these drills belong to that beautiful painting. All right, so we're gonna unroll this. Look at the size, guys. It's just perfect. I believe this is a 13 inches by 13 inches. Okay, and you can do this, guys. I'm just rolling it back so I can flatten it a little bit because it has been in the box. And voila, look at this. Is this not the cutest thing? Oh my gosh. I don't know why it took me so long to get one of these, but I'm so happy that this is actually a snack size. Snack size paintings, guys, perfect for gifting, or if you're going to travel. I'm trying to get this glare out of the way. Okay, or if you're working on a big painting and you just want to take a little break from that big painting, you can work on the smaller painting, you know, just for a little change. All right, so all the paintings always say "Do what makes you sparkle" on the top. Diamond Art Club. It always comes with 2 legends, and one on the left hand side and one on the right hand side. And the legends really do come in handy, guys. It basically tells you how many colors. So by looking at this, it tells you that it has 31 colors. These are the symbols, and the symbols is what you find in the painting, and that's where you're going to put your drills. And then the color code is basically the DMC number. Okay, and then in the bottom you have the picture again, and then it tells you it's from Diamond Art Club, A Fairy Friend. It's 13 inches by 13 inches, and it's 32.8 centimeters by 32.8 centimeters, and it's by Randal Spangler, Diamond Art Club. And then in the middle, it tells you take 10 for 10% on your next order. You can find them on Facebook and Instagram. And then here on the right hand side at the bottom, it tells you that it's a lifetime warranty. So it basically has a 30-day money back guarantee. It has a free diamond spill insurance, and it has a 10% cashback rewards with every order. Okay, which is awesome. So let's look at the painting, guys. So what do we see? Well, I see the most adorable little dragon. He's got big blue eyes, and it looks like he's sitting next to a window, because you see the blue, it's nighttime, so you see the dark sky. And then he's holding a scepter. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing it right. A scepter, and he's got this beautiful amethyst stone. Okay. That should probably have bling, and if it doesn't, you can add bling to it. And then he's holding in his hand a little fairy, a little pixie, a tiny pixie, a fairy. See her wings here? Okay. And it looks like they're having a little conversation. He's really focused on her. And then you love his green scales. He's just adorable. So let me just bring him up so you can see it. There goes the scepter with a big, big amethyst stone. And there goes his big blue eyes. And there goes his snout. And there goes the tiny pixie. And you see his green scales. Okay? Just adorable, guys. All right, so we're going to look at the drills. Let's put this aside. 152 is Shell Pink Medium Light. I think you can see it right there. 311 is Wedgwood Ultra Very Dark. 355 is Terracotta Dark. That's pretty. 414 is Steel Gray Dark. 420 is Hazelnut Brown Dark. And 422 is Hazelnut Brown Light. 505 is Jade Green. And 562 is Jade Medium. Yeah, Jade Medium. 718 is Plum. 796 is Royal Blue Dark. I gotta bring the light a little closer. 799 is Delft Blue Medium. Oops. 800 is Delft Blue Pale. 823 is Navy Blue Dark. And 890 is Pistachio Green Ultra Dark. 915 is Plum Dark. 939 is Navy Blue Very Dark. 975 is Golden Brown Dark. 989 is Forest Green. And 995 is Electric Blue Dark. 3064 is Desert Sand. Very, very little of that one. 3607 is Plum Light. And 3608 is Plum Very Light. 3753 is Antique Blue Ultra Very Light. And 3818 is Emerald Green Ultra Very Dark. 3828 is Hazelnut Brown. Almost finished. 3857 is Rosewood Dark. 3858 is Rosewood Medium. And 3859 is Rosewood Light. Okay, so these are all the beautiful colors. So you have lots of blues and some pinks, browns. Okay, so we have 2 ABs, by the way. So this is 101. This is an AB, which is Aurora Borealis, and it just means that it has an extra sparkle. And then you also have 122 AB, like a very pretty green. And then you have a special, what do you call this? I think, let me see, I wrote it down. Oh gosh, this is called a fairy dust diamonds. You can't really tell, but it sort of has, it looks like glitter, like very, very like glitter on top. That's what it's called, fairy dust. Okay, so you have 3 of those. All right, so 2 ABs and 1 fairy dust. So now let's move everything aside and let's look, bring back the painting, and let's see where these beautiful ABs belong, where they go, and of course the fairy dust. All right, so let's start with this one. When you look at the legend, 121 is number 1. Okay, so wherever you see number 1 in the painting, that's where this AB is going to go. So let's see. Okay, so I see them. See that? Those are ones. It's like sprinkled. Okay, and you have 1 here, 1 over here. Yep, they're all over sprinkled in the background. And then you have some, of course, on the pixie's wings, or the fairy's wings, and some over here, and none of the eyes. Okay, all right. So then this one is 122 and it's symbol 2. So wherever you see a 2. All right, and it's green. So it looks like it's on the dragon. So he has it around here, around his eyes. Some down here in his arm. No, none there. Okay, so it looks like this is on the dragon. And this is on the wings and scattered on the sky. And then the fairy dust, and that's going to be Z613, and that's letter E, symbol E. And it's around the scepter. Okay. You have some back here on the, around, I think that's a window, I'm not sure. But it's a very ornate wall or window. You have some down here on his hand, on the little dragon's hand, and a lot here on his little belly, and some around here, and over here also. I mentioned that. Okay, so that's it. If you would add more bling, where would you add it? Like I said, I would definitely add some bling on the amethyst. Let's put this clear. Let's put it back on the amethyst, the stone, and maybe some in his eyes. I don't know. So his eyes look like they're glistening. And that's about it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day and a great weekend. Bye-bye, and thank you very much.